क्या आप भी परेशान हो चुके हैं फ्रीक्वेंट हेयर रिमूवल से, जैसे कि वैक्सिंग? It's so painful. I never went for waxing. I did it one time and I was like, I can't do this. I can't do this. Now, अगर आप करते हैं shave, you have to shave it daily. I am so freaking lazy. I can't shave every day. Rather, I would wear long clothes and compensate that. And hair removal cream are just out of my way because they smell so bad. Oh my god. And they even darken your skin. So yeah, if you also want to get rid of that and want a thing that will permanently remove your hair, yes, then this video is for you. You know, hair are so ironical. Like some hair you want to protect, you use so many items and still you have hair fall, you want to protect them but they are staying at your scalp. And some hair you want to get rid out of your body but they are not ready. Today we're gonna talk about painless hair removal at your home. So for that I have this product with me. Now this is the product that I got from Amazon. This is Nude Expose Yourself Natural Hair Inhibitor. Now I used to see this product a lot in my YouTube recommendations or Facebook recommendations or Instagram recommendations. So I thought, what is this product? Let me check it out. So I opened that page and went to their page and I saw like natural hair inhibitor, this removes your hair permanently. So I was really fascinated that let's check it out because I want something that's gonna remove my hair permanently, because I don't wear short clothes because I hate removing my hair. I can't go for waxing. I hate shaving my legs and arms every freaking day. I don't know it's with me or anybody else, but my hair grows like this. I shave today and it's gonna grow tomorrow. Like I never remove them. So I wanted something that's gonna remove my hair permanently and I ordered this item and I was so excited. This is a secret item that I'm gonna talk in this video. Now I'm gonna talk about the formula, my review, and I'm also gonna give you demo like how you should use it, and eventually we're gonna talk about the pros and cons of this product. So stay tuned. And if you're new here, then hi, I'm Arushi and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So in case you want to watch more of these kind of videos, then do subscribe the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging of this new natural hair inhibitor. Now it comes in this packaging. It is of cardboard packaging and it is very sturdy. So at first impression, I really like this packaging. It opens like this. Let me show you. So yeah, I really like the packaging. Now here is the main box where the actual product lies. Now here also they have given this scan code. I think you can scan this and search about this product. They have here mentioned some points. So yeah, they have mentioned over here where it is manufactured, ingredients, so you can check everything out. So obviously this is made in India product, so you don't have to worry about that. First of all, this Nude Natural Hair Inhibitor is an advanced formula to get rid of your body hairs permanently. Like it can be face, chin or bikini line or underarms, wherever you have hair and you don't want to be there, you can use it over. So it's safe for even your face. So people having lots of hair on your face, you can use this. You don't have to go for shaving and all. You can use on your underarms, your bikini line. So it is a great option. Another thing is how it works. You must be very surprised that how it's gonna work, how it's gonna actually permanently remove your hair. So the formulation of this product works like it penetrates your hair follicle shaft and it actually deactivates the hair follicle bulb, which are actually responsible for growth of your hair. Now hair follicles are a part of your body from where the hair grows. So it's gonna actually target that thing. It's gonna go there and deactivate the work of hair follicle, which is responsible for your hair growth. So after that, when it get deactivate, it's not gonna produce more hair. So in short, this new natural hair inhibitor penetrates into your hair follicle and restrict the growth of unwanted hair. So I think it is such a great formulation. And also the best part is it can be used by both men and women. So if any guy is watching this video, don't worry, you can also use this product. And also it is formulated with 100% natural ingredients and plant extract, which is again a very good thing. It's not some shitty chemicals that gonna harm your skin, and it is suitable for actually all type of skin. So even if you are sensitive skin type, you don't have to worry about using this product. So in short, it is 100% natural, safe and effective. So now let's come to the main thing, which are ingredients. Now if you have ever watched my reviews or demos video, I always talk about the ingredients of the product, because that is the most important thing, because you are something applying directly on your skin and you should know that what all are the ingredients used in that product. So the very first product that is used in this product is Gymnema Sylvestre. Now I hope that I'm pronouncing it right, and I searched for it. It is actually a plant which is also known as sugar blocker, and it's totally safe to use on your skin. So the second ingredient is Carica papaya. Now we all know papaya, so I was like little curious that what is this Carica papaya. So I searched for it. Don't worry, it is just a normal papaya. Carica is the family which papaya belongs to, so it is like Carica papaya. Now papaya has great effect on your skin. It has anti-inflammatory skin. It removes the dead cells from your skin. So yeah, it is also a great ingredient to be used in this product, and it's totally safe. Like what you can eat is actually you can apply it on your body. Now another ingredient is sunflower oil. Now I don't have to put emphasis on sunflower oil and its benefit. So moving on to the next product, it has potassium sorbate. Now if you don't know what is potassium sorbate, then it is a preservative. So yeah, you have to use some preservative to protect that item for a long period of time. So but it's totally safe. I have already checked and it's totally safe to use on your skin. It also has glycerin, which is great for moisturizing effect. It also has glycerol monostrate. Now what it does is it is a lubricant which you used on your skin. It gives the soft and smooth appearance. So another ingredient is sorbic acid, which is again a preservative, and it is completely safe. Now the last ingredient is benzoic acid, which is such a good item for your skin. It is even used for acne. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It actually prevents from bacterial and fungal infection. So these all were the ingredients that are actually used in this product. All are very safe to use and have great properties. Made in India product actually means that it is automatically cruelty free. So if you are making any product in India, it has to be cruelty free. They have mentioned about the expiry date. It is made in October 2020, and so it's gonna expire in September 2022. So it has quite good shelf life, and it is for rupees 1500. You might be thinking that it's very expensive. Just remind yourself that how much you used to pay for that painful waxing, how much you have to pay for that stingy hair removal, and how many cuts you have on your body while shaving. So keeping in that mind, this is very economical and cheap, and it is a one-time investment. So let's talk about the product. Finally, it comes in this bottle. Now I really like the bottle, and also there is a pump over here, so it's very convenient to use. So let's talk about how to use this product for the effective result. So the very first step is to clean the part where you want to apply this lotion. For example, I want to put my lotion over here and get rid of my hand here. So what I'm gonna do is clean this with soap and water. In short, you have to remove the hair from the body part where you want to apply this. What I'm gonna do is take this product, pump it like this, and apply it as a body lotion. It's very easy to use. Like you have nothing to worry about. You have to gently press it down into your skin, so quickly it's gonna actually absorb down into your skin, and it's gonna go into your hair shaft and work as I have mentioned before. So you can see over here it quickly got absorbed into my skin. So yeah, it is very convenient to use. You don't have to do any other thing. It's just as simple as applying a body moisturizer. Now I want to share my own experience and my own opinion about this product, and I remove my hair. If you have watched that video, you know that my hair was so dense and thick. If you have watched that video, I'm so embarrassed right now. And after that, I showed you this product and I used that product, and to my surprise, like there is no hair growth. I'm not even kidding, guys, or exaggerating. Like, no one have asked anything to say about this product. It's my opinion, and I got this product, and I'm not exaggerating. Look at, like, it's already half a month. The Diwali has gone, and there is, like, let me show you, there's no hair, guys, because I know even after I shave my hair, the hair grows like it was never shaved, and there is no hair, to be honest. And there are tiny bit of hair, like tiny bit of hair, which are actually not black. They are very, very light, thin and brown in color. So yeah, I am so surprised about this product. You definitely should check out this product. If you ask me, I would highly recommend you to go for this product, though it says that it's gonna work by 10 to 13 weeks, and you have to apply this just the way I showed you, as a body lotion. And it really depends on how fast it's gonna work, because it all depends on your hormonal level, but it's gonna work, and it's gonna permanently remove your hair. So you must have this question on your mind, that what after the product is over, what after we have stopped using this product. So the thing is, when you stop using this product, it's actually have already worked on your skin, so your hair will grow, but it will be very, very tiny and fine, and it will not be in black color, it will be in brown color, and it's gonna be so tiny that it won't be even visible. No black and regular dense hair, it's not gonna be like that. So I hope that I clear your doubt. A lot of people have this doubt, and I research about this product a lot. The ingredients are great, and the price point is also amazing for what it does. So let's talk about the pros and cons about this product. So let's talk about the pros first. The very first pro is it is a painless method. The second thing is it is very convenient to use. Third is it is very economical comparing to the other methods of removing your hair. Fourth is it is a natural hair inhibitor. All the ingredients are extract from plant, and they are 100% natural product. It actually works and very effective on your skin and leaves your hand very, very smooth. So yeah, these all are the pros, and the other hand I have con. Now the first con is it's a time taking thing, so you have to wait and have patience for that. I don't think there's any other con regarding this, because it's totally safe for every skin type. So we have 5 versus 1, so I think totally pros gonna win, and you have to have this product if you're looking something to get rid of your hair permanently. Also, if you're willing to buy this product, then I'm gonna give the link in the description box, so you can go and check it out. So yeah, that was about today's video. Now I really hope that you find this video helpful and get some information from this video. If you like this video and if you find it helpful from any way, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't live without subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.